Hello friends! Mercedes-Benz, the little G-Class is coming. Mercedes continues to surprise us and is already preparing a completely new small G-Class. Prototypes of the new SUV have been spotted, and based on this, we can already visualize what it might look like. It will be very similar, only in a compact, small size. According to the latest information, the car will be built on a new frame, and the powertrain will be both fully electric and available with an internal combustion engine. The premiere is expected as early as 2027. Did you expect a small G-Wagon from Mercedes? Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.